but they had something called mushroom wood. I got high just looking at it. Well, I hate being the guy that lied, but we're waiting to see if it's raining out towards there. It's about 20-25 minutes away from here, and it's kind of raining off and on in different places. So I may be home today. I might be going to Houston to get some walnut, which wouldn't be a bad thing. I just won't get paid for today. Everyone's still asleep, so I started making bacon. I figured you can't start the day on an empty stomach. Bacon, then maybe Houston. I need to ask permission first. Did you get a haircut like me because of me? Get that all tapering? I got rid of it already.
No, my grandson did, and he wanted me to get one like that.
That's funny. We're here at Clark's Hardwood in Houston, Texas. Just got some walnut for a table. Brought my muscle with me today, Billy. And we're about to go in here and look at some more wood. Why don't you join us? I'm new to this whole video and vlog stuff in public, but they had something called mushroom wood. I got high just looking at it. Okay, that's a stupid joke, but for real, I've never heard of mushroom wood. Anybody, has anyone ever heard of mushroom wood? For real, it's not a joke. I'm gonna get some stuff. I'm coming back. So I just got home. I forgot to bring my GoPro with me today. It's fine, I'm learning. It's Tuesday. We didn't work yesterday. We worked today. We ran some errands. This guy got some new toys. It's fogging up. I can wipe it off. Look, let me see. It takes so much to acclimate from outside. I didn't get the video much yesterday because my camera kept dying. I was having issues charging my battery, but packing my lunch, 2 bananas, 2 waters, a Bobo's, which is just this little. I'm tired today. I'm trying to turn this music off. Just got home from working. Got this lady working out. Since all she does is work out. She's a beast. I did not video the job site today. I don't know how often I'll actually be able to do that. There's some other guys there. People aren't comfortable when the camera's around. But I think it's just gonna be me and Chris tomorrow. Pretty good day today. It's Wednesday, the day of the Lord. Then I come home to these guys. Leo. I get to take the truck today because I'm bringing my miter saw. That's a baby seat. I'm bringing my miter saw and my table saw. So we're building some shelves. And that is what I've missed. Furniture. Here for a little bit talking. We were going to just float some shelves in here, right here, but now we're gonna build a cabinet, paint it, bring it back, install it. So we're gonna go do that at my house because it's easier than building on site. Plus we need one more sheet of plywood. Since I said that I would show the shed that we re-sided, I'm gonna show it to you. And I think we're gonna be back tomorrow to pick up some material and stuff. Here you go. to go out there, but we're ready to go. We already went out there once. So we came to my house today to do work because it was just easier. We ripped a few sheets. Here's our shelves here for this book. Basically a bookcase, bookshelf. Here it is. One of the tubes trimmed out, about to Bondo the holes. What else? We really don't have much left to do. This actually took a little while. This toe kick, the nailers, all the little stuff, and making sure it's squared takes a minute. Got set up out here in this nice little tent. Had a little breeze out of the sun. It's been a pretty good, productive day. Cabinet's done for the day. Scribe is primed. This cabinet's done. Shelves are done. We're all picked up. About to run to Beaumont to look at a house. Look at some curtains, actually. I'm back. I didn't bring my camera with me. I was just helping a friend secure a curtain rod at a nicer home. Now it's workout time again, apparently. She started. I'm gonna jump in, go down the street, fish with the boys. It's a good day. I'm up. It's coffee time. Waiting on Chris to get here. And reading about how to get rid of flies. Because we have a bunch around here. Just started. Vacuum out the cabinet out. Now we're gonna prime it in the sunlight because you know, it's bright. Notice the walnut stir stick. It's classy. Not everyone's using walnut stir sticks.
That's the difference.
Loaded up on coffee. Gotta leave Toby because he's still not potty trained. Potty trained. He don't go on a potty. I'm trying to kennel train him. Here's the cabinet. Right here. One coat of paint. Primer paint. We're about to run, do some trim. Come back. Second coat. Done. We're gonna be done. That is a wrap for the day. Painted. 2 coats. Shelves. They're pretty much dry. We could probably pick it up now, but set it over here, install it on Monday. That's it. It's Saturday, my one day to sleep in. Then I'm up cooking bacon, because that's how you start the morning. Plus this huge cinnamon roll here. Thank you, Lord, for gigantic cinnamon rolls. Chick-fil-A. Oh my God. Sorry. It's still Saturday. Kids are outside playing. And that gives me a chance to get in the shop, garage, and start just a couple things that I've been needing to do. One little small project, and then I also really have been wanting to wrap this post with cedar. I'd love just a cedar post, but they cost a little bit of money. Wrapping it's really cheap. If the joints blow out, I'll end up buying a cedar post. So we'll see. Cleanup time. I call in the cleanup crew. Got to make sure keep a clean shop. No playing around. Now we're just sitting here trying to make dinner. We got Wani McWinerton over here. Chicken. We got chili going. Toby's mad. Or dead.